Hey guys, we are at a new 3-bed house in Birmingham, so in West Heath. The landlord has just finished renovating this property, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go around and take some final marketing pictures and videos to have on file, and also do a quick snagging as well for our client. Although I quickly went through around, and it looks to me like everything is pretty much already done. I couldn't see a lot, so what I might do is actually instead is comment on the refurb instead. This property is actually already let. We've actually secured a tenant already. They've gone through referencing, so they've passed absolutely fine. And it's actually a property that we sourced for a client not so long ago. So let me turn the camera around and then go through the whole property so you can see what it's like. All right, so this is the front entrance. That's the meter cupboard there. And let's walk in. So this is the front reception room. So it's an open plan kitchen diner. The landlord has fitted new windows throughout, new double glazing windows, and new radiators throughout as well. In fact, this place was really old, and then he's completely had to gut it and start again. Wall mounted lights, yellow, which actually is a really nice touch, and then some new light pendants as well, which actually for the main entrance makes a really great impression. And then you've got your big open plan kitchen diner. So previously there was actually a wall there and it completely closed everything off. It didn't look great. This looks so much better. In fact, we've got an identical property to this, and we also opened it up into a kitchen diner in a few roads down from here, and it let really quickly with really good rent, really good tenant in fact. So what I recommended to our client is actually to do the same again, and again it was let straight away at really good rent. So you can see how this would be suitable for sort of modern living for the modern family. You use that as a kitchen, as a breakfast bar and food preparation area. And you can talk to the family at the same time as well, and keep an eye on the families. You've got young kids, that's always helpful. But also it could work as like the dining table, because you can put a bunch of stools along there or a bench or whatever, and then have dinner and breakfast here. You can also put plenty of space for a dining table here as well for the family. So it works really well. Then you've got your French doors into a really nice garden. That's a shed, plenty of storage. A lot of fences have been replaced on this side, as you can see. It's also new, really good size and very low maintenance garden as well. There you go. It's nice, right? Nice radiator. I've actually got those lights in my bathroom, and then this is the kitchen area as well. So, yeah, classic colours, nice neutral tones with a bit of black here and there, and the reason for that is because you want to have a lot of curb appeal, and you want to attract as many tenants as possible. Provide a blank canvas, because once the tenants move in, they'll start to clutter it, put loads of things up. So you want to make the place seem as big and uncluttered, as spacious and uncluttered as possible, because then the tenant can use it as they wish. You don't want to go for wild patterns and wild colours, because it might not appeal to a lot of people. And when they move in, they'll have their own design, they'll have their own style, they'll have their own furniture as well, which might go with the property. Also, for maintenance, if the current tenant moves out and gives notice, the maintenance on this to bring it back to showroom condition for the next tenant is really low, well, relatively low. Very easy to do compared to, let's say, if this was full of different colors, different type of trimmings, different type of materials. That would be really difficult to restore back to showroom condition. Here, we just repaint it white. We can clean that pretty easy, those tiles, and clean this pretty easy as well. Maintenance is going to be a dream for this property. The landlord has also fitted a socket there, and that would be where the TV would go. And consoles, and there's plenty of power sockets throughout the property as well. There's new radiator, there's the meter cupboard, and then new carpeting throughout as well, and obviously the banister, and that's there's regulations. You have to have a balance up these stairs. Okay, so first bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom. That's into storage. This is the one that's over the stairs. Still a decent size, to be fair, considering it's over the stairs. You can still fit a small double in here or a single. And that's the outside. It's parking over there. The neighbours around here are really nice. There's a lot of people. So a lot of people here are doing a lot of works to their property, which is always a good sign because it means they're investing in the property, which will keep the place looking great. It keeps it clean, and it attracts good tenants, it attracts good homeowners, and also it increases the value of the area and the property rather than dragging it down. And so that was the second bedroom, master bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Let's have a look at the garden there as well. So nice and quiet. It was raining yesterday, which is not great. But then the sun came out today, so I thought I'll quickly go down and use the opportunity to take some final marketing pictures and videos. This is the third bedroom, because we want it on file for the marketing as and when the current tenant gives notice. Boiler, brand new boiler, and also this will be the iron cupboard as well, storage. So this is the bathroom. And it's really important, it's a massive bathroom. Really nice tiles, and good quality trimmings, and shower as well. Yeah, good quality stuff here. Yeah, so it's I don't think there's anything for me to snag really. I thought it'd be helpful, but everything is pretty much already done. I can't really think of anything else. Yeah, so it's good just to have everything on file. Although the property is already let, it's just good to have the final marketing pictures and videos on file, so that when the tenant gives notice, we can then get the ads up straight away and start the marketing and the viewing process straight away as well. And what that does, it just minimizes the void period, because we can start the marketing and the viewings a month before the tenant. So as soon as the tenant gives notice, we can start the marketing and the viewing, rather than having to wait for the current tenant to leave, get the property back to showroom condition, then take the marketing pictures, then take the viewings, which could be a month or two. So potentially the landlord would lose 1,300 to 2,500 to maybe 3,000, 4,000, just because the agent wasn't proactive. So in this situation, as a landlord and investor myself, I know that doing things like this will really help our landlord clients out. Anyway, so we sourced this property actually for a client last year actually. About half a year ago. A lot of work it needs doing. We got this at a pretty good price, because there was a property over there that we viewed, similar condition, and they wanted about 25k more, and it actually went to best and finals, and happily it actually went to a first-time buyer, which is really good. But that's the price difference. So we got this about 25k less than what that one, which is a similar property, what it went for. Anyway, my name is Nguyen. We let manage high quality HMOs and single-lets in and around Birmingham. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. All right, see you.